This ukulele lesson is in honor of Bob Marley. Today, which would have been his 80th birthday, I'd like to teach you one of his most beautiful ballads, Redemption Song. Redemption Song begins with this wonderful melodic riff. He played it on guitar. I'm going to teach you this in just a moment. There's a couple of different ways to play that. We'll also go over the chords. I'll teach you a really more advanced chord motion, which will bring out a more guitar-like sound, and then we'll sing the entire song. Please get your ukulele in tune, and let's learn Redemption Song together. Let's begin by learning that riff note for note. I'm going to be playing it on a low G, C, E, A tuning. Begins right here, middle finger on the G, and pick. That's the first phrase. For the second phrase, slide your index finger to the 3rd fret, reach up to the 7th fret, bring that ring finger down to the 5th fret, index. The third phrase, a little bit of anticipation there. And the final phrase moves down the G scale. You can make it more like a chord melody by adding the lower strings on the first phrase. See, I'm picking around the G major chord. For the second phrase, include the open strings to make a full C. Third phrase, add those same lower strings. You'll want to stretch the pinky up there. And for the last, you can play it in thirds. And that's ring finger, first finger, second finger, first finger open, and then the bottom 3 strings of the G major chord. Now let's learn the basic chords. We'll strum and sing the song, and I'll also teach you a more advanced chord motion, which will make your ukulele sound more like a guitar. Just so you know, each and every month, members of the Ukulele Zen community receive bonus lessons, including special riffs, rhythmic exercises, a monthly singing tutorial, and each month a chord solo tutorial. Check the links down below to learn all the details about membership at the Ukulele Zen community. Thanks for being here. Let's keep on learning. The chords you'll need to play this song are G major, then E minor. Some people like to make that change by adding the pinky. Then a C major to an A minor. A lot of the song is just those 4 chords. Now, if you're on a low G string ukulele, you can make the change from C to A minor more like a guitar by adding this passing note, this B, right there at the 4th fret. And I would do that by first playing the C major chord as a bar chord. You can see how I have the first finger covering 2 strings. And then for the C/B, that is a C major with a B in the bass. And then the middle finger slides down to A minor. It takes a little getting used to, but it's a nice effect. Hear that bass line there? Pause the video and try that out for yourself. For the strumming, I would recommend you just keep it simple. Down, down, up, down will work just fine. You can also add some percussion by strum, tap, up, tap, strum, tap, up, tap. You can also add percussion with a light chuck. Down, up, chuck, down, chuck, up, down. Really, this is a song that's based more on feeling, deep feeling, so please feel your way through the rhythm and play what really speaks to you. Let's learn the chorus now. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please reach out, give this video a thumbs up. Hope you'll subscribe to this channel, Ukulele Zen. There's a ton of free content waiting for you at this channel. And please leave a comment down below. Let me know what Bob Marley and the Wailers songs you would like me to teach you in future lessons. Playing the chorus, G, C, and D. Does that again. G, C, D, followed by E minor. Now you'll notice that as I play G, C, I like to play D with 2 fingers here. It's just a habit I got into years ago. I cover these bottom strings with 1 finger and the middle finger's there. That allows the open A string to ring out nicely. And then when I switch to E minor, my middle finger is already on the string it needs to be on. So I just pivot the finger as I move from D to E minor. Try that out. You might find it easier to make that change this way. Let's play the last line of the verse that leads into the chorus with a D major chord. Sounds like this. We forward in this generation, triumphantly, let it ring. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. And then we're into the second verse. There's just one more section we need to cover before we're ready to play and sing the whole song, and it's the instrumental in the middle of the song. There's 3 chords to it: E minor, C, and D. In the recording, Bob Marley is strumming his acoustic guitar by himself. He's playing 4 beats of E minor, 2 beats of C, 2 beats of D. This happens 4 times. And you can embellish it with different rhythms. And other melodies. This month I'll be offering a bonus lesson on how to take a solo all by yourself using those 3 chords, just embellishing it with a few extra fingers and a few riffs here and there. We are ready to play and sing this song from start to finish. You'll notice that there are some slight differences between the first and the second verse. Just follow along. Please don't worry about being perfect. This is a song that's all about coming from the heart anyway. So let's sing and play from the heart. Happy birthday, Bob Marley. Thank you so much for all the beautiful music you've given to the world. And thank you for joining me for this play along. Are you ready to begin? Let's start with that riff. We'll play it 2 times and play the entire song after. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. Yes, they're rabbi, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit, but my hand was made strong by the hand of the Almighty. We forward in this generation, triumphantly. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom, 'cause all I ever have, redemption song, redemption song, instrumental. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Whoa, have no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yes, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever have, redemption songs. All I ever have, redemption songs. These songs of freedom, songs of freedom. Little outro here. Thank you so much for joining in with this play-along tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that this video finds you and your loved ones doing well. Look forward to seeing you in another video sometime soon. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what Bob Marley and the Wailers songs you'd like me to teach you next. Until we see each other again, keep jamming, keep smiling.